Here are 5 Law of Attraction morning rituals that can make your life better. 1. Begin with gratitude. It's so easy to begin thinking about how much you don't want to get out of bed, and about all the things you need to do for the day, that you forget what a miracle it is to be alive and wake up for another day. Every morning, before you get out of bed, say, I am grateful to be alive. I am grateful for today. I am grateful for all the amazingly awesome things happening today. 2. Smile. Smiling is a great way to quickly raise your vibration. It reduces stress and helps you to feel better. It doesn't matter whether you're a cheery morning person or naturally grumpy until noon. Smiling is a law of attraction morning ritual that can change your life. 3. Stretch. If you've ever seen a cat or a dog wake up, the first thing they do is stretch as deeply as they can. It's a beneficial morning ritual for people too. Stretching helps wake up the mind and body, releasing any leftover fatigue. You don't have to do anything complex if you don't want to. Just some simple stretching, reaching your arms up as high as you can, making yourself even taller than you thought you could. Rotating your neck from side to side, remember to be gentle. Bending at your waist and touching your toes, keeping your knees relaxed. 4. Create your day. Everything begins with a thought, conscious or not. You can go through your day allowing things to happen to you, allowing your undirected thoughts to create what they will. Or you can consciously decide what you intend to happen. When you decide how you want your day to go, you take control of your life and make the law of attraction work for you. So at the beginning of each day, ask yourself, what do I plan to do today? How do I intend for things to go? 5. Let go of yesterday. If any concerns or worries about what might have happened yesterday come up, just let them go. The past is in the past. Today is a new day. You can start fresh and handle anything that comes your way. I hope these morning rituals help you to make your life better, going through your day with more ease and happiness while seeing more success with the law of attraction. If you have any morning rituals that help you, please share them with everyone in the comments below.